Hello, Mr. Ehindero. Good afternoon. All right, then we'll still try to connect with Mr. Ehindero, but the market is down 0.57% as at my last check here. Lotus Shares, that's the list of gainers. We have Premier Paint, we have Suno Shore, we have Cornwall, and we have Darcom. That's for gainers listed today. And for the losers, we have the likes of NASCON, we have Custodian, we have Restarex, we have Austin Lars, and we have Square. That's it for the losers today. Well, market, of course, as always, the flip-flop that we've seen continues in that market. Do we have Mr. Oladipo Ehindero with us now? Mr. Oladipo, if you can hear me, what do you make of the performance of the market today? All right, good afternoon, Mr. Oladipo. Thank you for joining the program. Take us through the market fundamentals and looking at the results performance for today.
Yes, today was a very great day at the exchange today. So we had a series of corporate disclosures from the NGX, from the companies listed on the NGX. We had directors' dealings, that is directors buying shares in United Capital PLC. Then we had Airtel was trying to sell their own shares, like share buybacks. Then we had the resolution from the AGM of Vitafoam, where they talked about the dividends they're giving 3 naira per share, the bonus issue, the directors' fee, remuneration of auditors, the election of audit members and audit committee members. Also, so that's basically what we had at the corporate disclosure part of the exchange today. So today's figure was the gainers today.
Go ahead, please.
Yeah. So if you go to check the result for the trading figures for today, we're going to be saying that the all share index closed today 0.12% up today at 197,196.98 figures points for today. So it's an
Let's move forward and look at the performance of some of these stocks today. Any particular stock catching your attention looking at this performance?
Yes, I think today, as usual, for the past, let's say for the past 90 days moving average, showing signs of outperforming the market. If you look at the 90 days moving average, we also have Vitafoam. Vitafoam has normally, if you have a bonus issue,
all right, moving
and dividend payout from the company where the price and it's been paid. Qualification of Vitafoam and M10 are good stocks to look into today.
All right, finally, we've seen the impact of the war on crude oil prices and all of that. Do you think that if this war continues, do you think it could impact our markets in any way? Some say we might have the portfolio guys move out of our markets. Mr. Oladipo, did you get my question?
Hello?
Did you get my question?
I got a question. We could have the portfolio. You have the FPIs move out of the market because of just because of the fact that whenever there is a money, besides that, there is nothing wrong with the Nigerian market. The Nigerian market is perfect for exposure as a frontier market. There's nothing wrong with the market at the point, but it's just that underlying point is that whenever there is a disturbance,
I must thank you so much, Mr. Yeah. Mr. Oladipo Ehindero is Equities Portfolio Manager, Head of Trading at Fundrone Partners Limited. A bit of challenge there connecting him, but at least we're able to make a bit of sense of his analysis. Before we go, official report says China's exports surge in the first 2 months of 2026, despite trade tensions with the U.S. The data shows export jumped by more than 20% in January and February, which is almost 3 times the rate predicted by economists. It puts the country on track to the top the record-breaking annual trade surplus it saw in 2025. The announcement comes as U.S. President Donald Trump is expected to visit China in early April to meet his Chinese counterpart, Xi Jinping. The world's second-largest economy is heavily reliant on exports as it faces a number of issues including weak consumer spending, a shrinking population, and a property market crisis. China's trade with European countries grew by 27.8%, while exports to Asian countries, a group of Southeastern Asian nations, including Thailand, Singapore, and Philippines, climbed by nearly 30%. Last week, China set an annual economic growth target of 4.5%, down from its 5% goal in 2025, which had been met largely due to exports. And finally, Pakistan has launched its long-awaited 5G spectrum auction, a move aimed at accelerating the global digital economy and improving mobile connectivity. Speaking at the ceremony, Finance and Revenue Minister Mohammed Al-Rangzab says the government had created a complete ecosystem for the rollout of 5G services, noting that the technology would support emerging sectors such as artificial intelligence and blockchain while boosting the country's IT exports. On his part, Minister for Information Technology and Telecommunications, Shahzad Fatima Khwaja, described the launch as an important milestone in Pakistani's technology development. The auction is being conducted by Pakistan Telecommunications Authority, with the first bidding rounds lasting 60 minutes, with 3 telecom operators participating in the auction. Well, that's Business Nigeria today. Thank you so much for being a part of it. As always, I'll see you tomorrow, same time, where we will be talking more business. Stay safe, get busy, get the cash. I'll see you tomorrow.
Cadbury 3-in-1 hot chocolate.